In this quick video guide, I want to show you how you can export your Revit project and import it into Unity. Now, this is a pretty simple process to do, but you need to be careful about a couple of things. So first of all here, let me delete this project that I have already imported so we can do it together from the beginning. So the first thing you need to have, of course, Revit installed, and you need to have a project ready to be exported. You can also use templates if you want. Now, in my case, I do have a project here, so I'm gonna open it up. And the first thing you need to be careful is to be in a 3D view. So you cannot be in a 2D drawing or view if you want to export 3D, but you need to be in a 3D view. So just the standard 3D view will be fine. Otherwise, you can create 3D views from the View tab, creating new cameras, or creating just a standard 3D view. Now, another thing to be careful and to consider is if you want a section of your building or if you want your whole building. If you want your whole building, you need to get rid of the section box. So I'm gonna show you here. This is a pretty big project, by the way. So just to show you that you can export everything here. You can export the top surface and also the buildings here. I'm just gonna make the portion of the 3D a little bit smaller. Okay, now let me show you a little bit closer. You can see here there is a building and it's pretty complex. It has curtain walls, stairs and railings and a lot of components. Not so many polygons because Revit doesn't have the possibility to handle too many polygons. So these are pretty simple buildings, but there are a lot of components there, a lot of families out. This is how they are called in Revit. So I'm gonna switch also to hidden line or shaded view to make it a little less heavy. And now I will export it. So if I want to, I can. If I don't want to export something, I need to hide it. I need to get rid of that on this view. So if I don't want, for example, I don't know, let's hide that roof in the view. So that will not be exported. So if I go to File and then go to Export, I can select the FBX. There are other files like in CAD, but in this case, when you need to export in 3D, it's better to use FBX. It's more secure. And then you just select the folder where you want to export it and click Save. Now, this process could take a little bit long because depending on how many families you have inside the project, on the complexity of the project. So just stay there, wait until it's finished to export. Now, it's gonna show you down here a progress bar, so you can see there it's gonna tell you, okay, it's finished now, the project is exported, and that's it. That's the sign that you need to wait. Now let's move into Unity, and into Unity it's even simpler. So you just go here to Assets in the menus and go to Import New Assets, and I'm gonna select this one, which is my FBX that I have exported from Revit, and proceed with the importation. Now, of course, you need to have installed Unit and you need to create a new project. So just start a new project in Unity, and you can. I've chosen to create an empty project, but you can also use others. And there you go. That's my project in Unity. And as soon as I get in, I can already experience that it's more fluid and faster than what I can do in Revit, because this is how the render engine works, how the Unity engine works, and also Unreal. They are pretty easy to use if you need to do animation or if you need to do virtual reality interaction exploration. And you can see it has triangles, so everything has been like optimized and recalculated to work here in Unity. Now we need to work with the materials and we need to do a lot of stuff here. It's just the beginning. This is just a quick video guide to show you the export import process. Now, if you don't know, you can go here. This is the Unity Hub, Unity Launcher. So you need to go here and create a new project. And when you create it, you can also try this one, which has a high definition, render, materials, and things like that. So I didn't use this one here in this video because I want to do something really fast. And the 3D core here is the, let's say, smallest scene that you can open in 3D. So you can see also here you find the VR and other sample scenes if you want, like first person, third person. Feel free to experiment. And also please subscribe, let us know what you think about this video. Write your comments. They can be suggestions, can be questions. And also please, if you want to join the channel, this is gonna support us so that we can create more video guides like this, and also perhaps in the future an entire video course in Unity. You can already find a video course in Revit, by the way, if you search in the channel. So this will be all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.